everyone, it's Siv. Welcome back to my channel, A Crafty Poodle Mom. Yes, you see Hello Kitty. So you all know Anna Serenity Creations. Hey Anna! Thank you so much for swapping with me, and I loved our get together last week. You all know Anna Serenity Creations. She does this and that videos. She does jewelry videos. She does cutesy videos. And she has such an amazing energy. I love her always laughing. Her laughter is so exuberant, and I just love her energy. We had a chance to get together last Sunday. She met me at Frank Garcia's studio. I happened to be taking Abby's class, Cat Paper Loves class. I will link her information in the next video. We did she did a churro class, and I wanted to also see if Anna was able to meet, which she was, and we met at Frank Garcia's studio. I had a blast all together the whole day. It was such a beautiful day that day. It brought me so much joy, crafting and being with crafty friends, all of my crafty friends. So let me show you what we swapped, or what we created for each other for our swap. But before I jump into the box, the beautiful box that she created, I wanted to share with you this beautiful jewelry necklace with some glass beads. It's gorgeous. Do you see that? It's just gorgeous. Beautiful. And she made me the necklace, and excuse me. There's a heart clasp here. I immediately put it on, and it matched perfectly with my outfit. Thank you so much, Anna. Handmade, created with love. Look at this wire wrapping that she did. These are also some bracelets that she created. These are Swarovski crystals that she added here and created a little heart charm. And these are bendable bracelets. She wire wrapped them, and look at the glass beading right here. It's gorgeous. Gorgeous. So that's an extreme close-up of the jewelry. I love it. I adore it. Thank you so much. This is my arm candy while I'm doing YouTube videos. So thank you so much, Anna. So let me gently put this away on my table here. And I wanted to show you before I jump into this box. She also gave me a little goodie bag. And I will link in the description box below her video of her project share, so you can get all the details. Isn't this so cute? It's a little tote. I'm using it for my lunch. It's a perfect size to put my little Tupperware, my fruit, my veggies, my water bottle in here, and I'm set for the day. And she said that this is a little key ring that she put. It's so adorable. Look at this, like a little wristlet. It's so cute. She said that she got this on AliExpress. I have not shopped on Ali. I am afraid to, because I do have a shopping obsession, and I have way too many things, and I spend too much as well, as my husband can attest to. So I know there's a lot of great deals on Ali, and I have forbidden myself to download it, but I may have to eventually. After I use up my stash. I have to use up my stash and send more happy mail and make more projects, and then I will definitely look into it. But look at how cute. And then she took some twine and she glued it all around the base, as well as the handles up here. And she threaded gingham ribbon all the way around to decorate it. I love it so much. It's perfect. And inside, she gifted me My Melody soap dish case. It's perfect because when I used to go to the gym, I would shower at the gym right away, because I don't like to jump in the car and all sticky. So this is perfect, Anna. Thank you. And this is another My Melody. And look at this gorgeous array of eye candy. I think I have to link her Instagram. She shared videos, a tutorial of how she created these types of flowers on her channel. And Anna also made these cutesy flowers. These are gorgeous. I just bought myself at the Dollar Tree these glitter balls, so I'm gonna be making some later today. I'm gonna probably cut a whole bunch of these flower petals off of my Cricut since I don't have the punches. And if you don't have a punch, you can actually cut it from your Cricut and just size them and then just layer them. I think Anna said that when she created these are like 7 layers of goodness. Look at that. So beautiful, beautiful. And she created a ton for me. I don't think I'm gonna use them. I'm gonna put them on my Pinterest board. I have like a swivel, a little Tim Holtz little swivel thing. No, it's not Tim Holtz, it's Paper Studio. And I put all of my fun cards there and little bag toppers there for inspiration. These are gorgeous. I'm gonna set them out for display, at least for a little while, so I can get some inspiration. Gorgeous. I love the colors. Love, love, love the colors. Beautiful. So thank you for making me those, Anna. She also gifted to me these little Hello Kitty shaker faces. How cute. And I'm into resin making right now, and I started making it a couple of days ago, but it got too hot to wear a mask and be outside. So I had to stop for a little bit, but I'm hoping on making some letters and attaching these to different projects. I am definitely going to be creating using these. So thank you so much, Anna. And look, Mimi Jocelyn Designs, I believe her channel is. Hey Mimi, if you're watching, these Anna created these, but Mimi made a tutorial. And so look at how cute. These are Halloween colors. Oh my gosh. These are adorable, and I'm gonna definitely use these on projects. I have to use them because, you know, these are definitely made to be used. Beautiful. And this is some gingham ribbon that Anna gifted to me. So beautiful. I will be making bows with these. I have a ton of ribbon that I shouldn't be hoarding. I've been hoarding for a while. I'm gonna be making some Halloween bows using Hello Kitty ribbon. So stay tuned for that. And put these gingerly back in the box. So thank you for my melody. And then she also gifted to me these metal clips for my TN, my Hello Kitty TN. And this she got, I guess she says she picked it up at Alley as well. And these are cellophane goodie bags. Isn't this cute? They're clear cellophane, and they already have the little sticky on top. So I'm gonna try to see if I could make, I don't know, something to put in here. Maybe rosettes. A friend of mine, she's gonna be hosting a Hello Kitty swap or a Hello Kitty meetup, you know, so this will definitely come in use. So thank you so much, Anna. And look at this chip clip. I love it. It's so adorable. I love to munch on chips while watching YouTube and also watching movies. So this is perfect for my chip clip. So I'm definitely going to use that. It's not going to be stored away, hidden in a closet somewhere. I'm definitely going to use it. And look, more bags. So cute. Another cellophane bag that she gifted to me, a pack, I don't know, of 100. I am definitely set. Thank you. And look at this. These are some cute little page flags. They are adorable. Look at this little Hello Kitty and a little, like a zebra. Is it a zebra print? And a leopard print. This one with a little rainbow. How cute. So super cute. I love it. I love it. Oh, and look, copyright's 1976 and they redid it in 2002. Yes. Yay, thank you. And this is super cute. This is a little earphone case that she also gifted to me. This is what it looks like inside. I'm not going to use it for earphones, but what I usually do is whenever I print my ephemera off of my print and cut on my Cricut, I stick them in here, so it's all put in a little case here. It's like a handy dandy little case that I put on my little desk. So I saw Anna, she did I think this in that video. She was playing with resin, and I sent her a message. I said, can you please make me one? Pretty please, with the cherry on the top. And look, she gifted to me 3 in the darker pink and the light pastel pink and a white. And I think she said she put Nouveau drops right here and Swarovski crystals for the eyes. I love how it came out, and the little, it's like a little puffy, the little Nouveau drops that she used. I think she got them from Urban Gems. Nurse Tara has a little shop, online shop. How cute is this? Isn't this adorable? And look at little faces. She's wearing little teddy bear slippers. This is so cute. She says she got the mold a long time ago, so I really, really love this. Thank you so very much, Anna. So let me put this to the side and I will be right back to open this one.